Alrighty, we're here at Benalmádena. So checking this place out. So there's like a nice pier here. So we're parked here. That street. Irish Times. Oh, that's a cool shop. That's a disco pub over there. Street over here. Lots of supermarkets, Jan. See all that, bro? Mommy's
Hola.
Chinese mode. Mommy's on
So
Chinese.
you're racist. Racist.
What?
What makes me look Chinese?
Watch, when I see another Chinese woman, I'll show you.
Another Chinese? You know I'm not Chinese, right?
I'll show you, mommy. Remember.
I don't like to be
Alright, seems like we're somewhat here. So that is Marina Beach. So one of the popular beaches here in Malaga. Yeah. So we go around the beach or cut the cross. Go across. Check that place out over there. Alright, we got sea life over there. What is this? Like Super Core Express. Looks like a shopping center. Let's check it out, bro. There's an Infinite Club over there. Buffet. Libra here. This reminds me of BGC. This reminds me of BGC. Ooh. That's fancy. That. A restaurant over here. Yeah. Oh, look. Puerto Marina shopping. Alright, going down. Boats. Huh? Oh yeah. We got a bunch of fishes. Good fish, bro. That's a fish. Yeah. You can ride the bus, bro. That's a lot of drinks. Feeding the seagull. Oh, look at all those fish, Jed.
Ooh. That's a fish, Jared.
Are those edible? Those fishes? Honey? Yes, are those edible? See, it's a nice little Asian restaurant. Jack's Smokehouse. Sakura. That's neat. Do you want to get a boat? Let's buy a boat. Is it? Naked shopping center. That's good. Ice cream and crepes. Cucina. Non-stop. Angus La Porracia. All right here, mommy. Mommy, isn't that the second-hand store? No? I know in Japan, there's the second-hand store.
I think you're talking about
Yeah, brands, diba? Second-hand.
something brand.
Yeah. Yeah, some more.
But there's one in, I think there's one here in Malaga or Marbella. I saw
What,
one.
second-hand store? Yeah, it's nice. Oh, there's rich folks, man, with all with their boats. You gotta be rich to have a boat.
Well, a boat is like,
$1,000? Shoes, Jad. Put your shoes over there. Oh, that one has its own. I think. What's that, shoes? This guy has its own gate, man. Must be an expensive place. Oh, look at all those jet skis, Jed.
during summer, no?
Yeah. Ooh, Diddy party. Diddy restaurant or shopping. I think Diddy just messed up that if you like have a white theme. No?
You can't have a white party now.
Yeah. Car.
There's a car?
Car there. Gelateria. Megadia. Metro Restaurante. It's a nice little, walking area, no?
Must be busy during summer.
Yeah. It's good. It's nice because you can see myself. Uh-oh. See something there. It looks like a secondhand store. Oh, that restaurant looks actually cool. It's a boat. The restaurant is a boat. Very Sumron. See, that's it. I think. Cantina. And I think that's it for this layer. Kaleido. Shopping time. Jaja, shopping time? Huh? So we're gonna go back to Plaza Mayor, but it's the outlet this time. We're gonna go to the outlet. I mean the outlet, the mall. We're gonna go to the mall, not the outlet. I guess we'll go on the other side and we'll go around. I don't think there's any more on that side. Let me go check out the map real quick. Restaurante, Defano. What's back here? There's nothing back here. Puerto Marina. The what? Yellow cart? Oh, yellow cart. Cinnamon Club, Indian cuisine. Toro. There's Toro. Oh, Gringos. Tex-Mex and Grill. La Subasta. Over there. Trauma training. Cinnamon Club. Nice. Andalusia. Like that. You guys being fancy. Oh man, I missed him. Alright. Peace out, Puerto San. What's this place called, mommy? Bal something, man. Balmaneda. Saxophone. Elmo.